In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Monday.com. If you're managing leads or campaigns in Monday.com, connecting it to Mailchimp lets you automate list updates and keep your marketing in sync without manual copy-paste. All you need is access to a board in Monday.com and a Mailchimp account with permission to connect apps. Start by opening the Monday.com board where you track contacts or campaign tasks. Pick the workspace and board that hold the items you want to sync. It helps to have clear column names, like email, first name, or status, so mapping will be straightforward later. Next, open the Automate area. You'll find the Automate button near the top of the board. This takes you to Monday.com's Automation Center, where you can set up rules that react to changes on your board. From here, choose More Integrations. This expands the full catalog of apps that plug into your workflows beyond the standard automation recipes. Use the search bar and type Mailchimp. The list will filter instantly, so you can jump right to the Mailchimp options without scrolling. Select Mailchimp from the results. You'll see a collection of ready-made automation recipes designed for common marketing workflows. Each recipe includes a trigger on your board and an action that happens in Mailchimp. Choose the automation that best matches your process. For example, you might use a recipe that adds an item's email to a specific audience when a status changes or updates a subscriber when a date arrives. Read the description carefully so the trigger and action reflect exactly what you want. When you're ready, click Connect. Monday.com will prompt you to authorize the connection to Mailchimp. Sign in if asked, review the permissions, and approve the integration so the two tools can talk to each other securely. After authorization, follow the on-screen prompts to finish configuring the recipe, like selecting the Mailchimp audience and referencing the correct board columns for email and names. Clear, consistent data in your board will make this step quick and reliable. Once saved, your integration goes live and runs in the background. I recommend a brief check with a sample item to confirm the trigger behaves as expected and that the right Mailchimp audience is updated. You can edit, pause, or remove the recipe anytime from the Automate area if your process changes. And that's it. Your Monday.com board is now connected to Mailchimp, keeping your marketing list fresh with every update.